is the latest on Houseful 5?
Oh God, Faridun, it is going to be hell of a ride. Akshay is Akshay. He's going to be there for another 20-25 साल. हाउसफुल तो मैं बहुत ही एक्साइटेड हूँ. It's going to be मतलब शूटिंग के पहले मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कब रिलीज होगी और लोग देखेंगे.
Sajid Bhai is not donning the donning the director's hat anytime soon.
हम नहीं छोड़ेंगे साजिद नडियाडवाला को. हम किक 2 उनसे निकलवा के ही रहेंगे. I promise. Today on Faridun show that Devil बहुत जल्दी वापस आएंगे.
Any film in the recent times that has really inspired you and that you really liked?
I have loved Animal to the core. Hi, this is Vardhan Nadiadwala and you're watching Connect Today with Faridun, one and only Faridun.
Houseful 5 के बारे में अगर कुछ आप बताएं latest, what is the latest on Houseful 5?
Oh God, Faridun, it is going to be hell of a ride. It is going to be one of the best of the franchise of Houseful. जैसे last, I mean, who could have thought के Houseful के पूरे पुनर्जन्म में भी डाल सकते हैं और कबूतरों का भी rebirth होता है. So I think it was so funny. So if that was hilarious, this is 10 folds more higher in it'll be more higher in entertainment quotient maybe high hogi, and it'll be very glamorous and it'll be very exciting. It'll be edge of the seat, I promise you. जब पिक्चर देख रहे होंगे सब जो उनको लगेगा oh god, what next, full on adrenaline rush होने वाला है.
No, definitely, and even with Akshay sir, Sajid Bhai, and you guys, you had a very long association with him as well. He's also one of those I think actors and stars जिन्होंने ups and downs देखे हैं, but the fact is that he always remains stable and sticks to his routine and everything.
Yeah.
पिछले कुछ टाइम में थोड़ी सी फिल्में उनकी उतनी शायद नहीं उस लिहाज से चल पाई हैं. As a producer, does it put any sort of pressure on you guys when if a star's film, last few films, they've not been that huge hits at the box office?
मैं तो वैसे देखा जाए ना फरीदुन, टू बी अंदर की बात, तो मैं तो नाम की प्रोड्यूसर हूँ. साजिद does all the work and मैं absolutely नाम की प्रोड्यूसर हूँ, who doesn't go to the office, who just enjoys marketing and of course little bit say in marketing I have. But to be honest ना, post COVID फरीदुन, लोगों का टेस्ट थोड़ा बदल गया है, थोड़ा ये हो गया है. So it's not a pressure. See, it's just that अभी थोड़े slowly I think track पे आ रही है बॉलीवुड की पटरी, and सब ठीक हो जाएगा. It's just that after effects of COVID, which people are still feeling, and Bollywood is feeling it a lot, but it will be fine soon. So there's no pressure. I think Akshay is Akshay. He's going to be there for another 20-25 साल. Salman is going to be there for another 20-25 साल. Inshallah more. And Shah Rukh and all these guys are going nowhere. And couple of films, I think हो जाता है. क्योंकि लोगों का टेस्ट भी थोड़ा ये हो गया है. But I don't think people reject the actors. It's not the actors. Maybe it is the subject that they didn't like.
Absolutely. Okay, and अगर आप कुछ और आने वाली फिल्मों के बारे में बताएं आप, and something that people can look forward to, that you are personally excited as well.
I am super excited about Sikandar. I am excited about Houseful. And हाउसफुल तो मैं बहुत ही एक्साइटेड हूँ. इट्स गोना बी, मतलब शूटिंग के पहले मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कब रिलीज होगी और लोग देखेंगे. अब मैं इतनी एक्साइटेड हूँ इस फिल्म को लेके, सिकंदर को भी लेके एंड हाउसफुल को भी लेके. देन देयर इज अनदर मूवी व्हिच इज विद आहान शेट्टी. It's a beautiful story again. Then there's one with Tiger Shroff. That story is also almost close to getting wrapped. It is beautiful. Then with Vishal ji, there's another film, Ajju Ustara. वो भी बहुत ही प्यारी स्क्रिप्ट है, which I think will go on floors next year. So far I think these चार पांच फिल्में.
So and Sajid Bhai is not donning the donning the director's hat anytime soon.
Hopefully soon. I'm on his case because मुझे बहुत मजा आती है the way he thinks. मुझे बहुत मजा आती है the way, you know, like when he's just producing, he's equally involved, he's equally passionate. But वो script level पे बहुत ही passionate होते, सोचते रहते, कुछ ना कुछ जाते. But when he's directing ना, he's something else. Like suddenly he'll pop out of somewhere. Whoa, what मैंने ऐसा सोचा. Oh, what मैंने ऐसा सोचा. तो वो मुझे बहुत मजा आती है to see him on the go, because otherwise when he's producing, like, तो वो story जब तक script wrap होती है उस पे लगे रहते हैं. Shoots पे he takes it easy because once the script is fully locked and he's satisfied कि now it's, so then it's the director's baby. Then he'll enter in edit पे and then handle stuff. But when he's directing, he's the most fun to watch. I love it when he's directing. He's too much fun.
Fantastic.
एंड सून मैं सबको ट्विटर, आपके ट्विटर फैंस को और इंस्टाग्राम को बोलने वाली हूँ कि हम नहीं छोड़ेंगे साजिद नडियाडवाला को. हम किक 2 उनसे निकलवा के ही रहेंगे. आई प्रॉमिस टुडे ऑन फरीदीन शो दैट डेविल बहुत जल्दी वापस आएंगे एंड किक 2 हम पीछे पड़ के सिकंदर के बाद जरूर साजिद से डायरेक्ट कराएंगे.
Oh, that's
That's a
I think there's
promise.
definitely that's a great news. Absolutely.
That's a promise.
Okay,
of the show.
and finally, Vardha, any film in the recent times that has really inspired you and that you really liked?
Animal. I have loved Animal to the core. मतलब I do have a soft corner for action, but मैंने वो पिक्चर को 4-5 बार देख चुकी हूँ. I love each frame and हर बार जब मैं कुछ देखती हूँ मुझे कुछ नया मिलता है उसमें. I just loved Ranveer's work. I just love Banga's work, and I'm so proud of Bhushan, you know, for backing this film and making this film. It is beautiful. It's one of my favorites. मतलब आप मुझे कभी भी बोलो देखने के लिए मैं enjoy करूँगी. It is that beautiful.
Okay, so it's quite late in India now. So thank you very much, Vardha, for your time. Wonderful talking to you as always, and congratulations for Hajj once again.
Thank
and
you.
looking forward to your मुझे लगता है कि डायरेक्ट भी करना चाहिए आपको. ये एक अलग डिस्कशन हो जाएगा.
That I would love to do someday. I am a cinema student. I've done my film and video production from Xavier's. I used to be a music critic. I used to be a film critic. Yeah, that I would love to do someday. I will definitely get into direction at some point of time.